Hi, this is Melody and it's nice to see you again. Today we are going to talk about El Nino, Unit 6 of English Reading Basic 6. Alright, so what is El Nino? El Nino is defined by prolonged differences in Pacific Ocean surface temperatures when compared with the average value. The accepted definition is a warming or cooling of at least zero point 0.5 degrees Celsius, averaged over the east central tropical Pacific Ocean. Typically, this anomaly happens at irregular intervals of 2.7 years and lasts 9 months to 2 years. Okay, now we find out more about El Nino as we read the passage. I am going to read the passage from the first sentence until here. Okay, I guess that's fair enough. Let's go on. Do you know who the worst child in the world is? It is El Nino. El Nino means the little boy in Spanish. Is El Nino a Spanish boy then? No, it isn't. El Nino isn't a human boy. Instead, it's a water current in the Pacific Ocean. It appears around Christmas near South America. So people thought El Nino was like Jesus, who was born on Christmas. Okay, you read the passage very well. Now, before we will move on to the activities, I'll just point out some of the important details in the passage. First, it is a water current in the Pacific Ocean. Second, the little boy in El Nino means Jesus. Okay, don't forget these because they are really very important. Okay, now let's move on to select true or false. Encircle T if the statement is true and encircle F if the statement is false. Number 1, El Nino is Spanish. Is it true or false? Yes, it's T. True. El Nino is a Spanish word. Number 2, El Nino means the big boy. Is it true or false? Alright, it's F, false. It's not the big boy, but it's this little boy, or the small boy. Number 3, El Nino appears around New Year's Day near North America. Is it true or false? Alright, it's F, false. It isn't North America, but it's South America. You did very well in select true or false. Now let's continue to word box. As you can see, there are words under word box, and beside them is the pronunciation translation and then the Korean translation, so that you'll be able to find out how to pronounce them and also the meaning of each of the word. Now let's begin. Repeat after me. Spanish, instead, current, Pacific Ocean, appear, Jesus, flood, drought. Okay, now let's continue to vocabulary checkup. Number 1, let's complete the following sentence. I have been studying blank for 3 years. Okay, the missing word is Spanish. Number 2, the blank has ruined many crops. Very good, it's drought. Number 3, the whale swam against the blank. Yes, it's current. Number 4, the terrible blank destroyed many buildings. Alright, it's flood. You did very well here in Unit 6. Now, I am going to see you again in our next video, and I hope that you will study with us here in Camglish.com. I'm looking forward to see you. Bye!